Hi guys, so we're here at the city of Gyeongju in South Korea. Look at Ness and Natalie looking for food. Hirap na hirap lang kami sa food dito. Kasi nga, we're very picky. We're a picky family. Almost. Init. Yan. Kain kami ng noodles. Ang sarap nito.
Pakita mo yung lalagyan. Lalagyan ng pakita mo.
Yan. Sarap yan.
Oh.
So guys ayan nakita nyo. So ang daming turista Dito yung Eternal Monarch. Something yung kay Lee Min Ho na K-drama. Hindi ko kasi pinanood yun. But dito yun. Yung K-drama na yun. It's actually much better pag gabi kasi may lights. And then nandyan si Ness. Say hi, Shine. Yan. Tapos may mga hanok ganyan. Pero ang init Kaya ayaw na namin. Yeah. Okay. Later. Ayan guys, tingnan nyo yung mga hanok. Sa ano to sa Gyeongju. Very no. Ganda din. Look at that. Pasensya na kayo sa vlog ko, parang walang kwenta. Kasi na-enjoy ko talaga tong vacation na to, pero sinisingit ko lang din mag-vlog. So ganyan siya. Okay guys, so we're still here at Gyeongju. Tingnan nyo yan Sabi nila, yung mga king daw dati, dyan sila nagpa-party. Social. Dito sa...
Okay.
요즘 사람들은 더 이상 편지 쓰지 않아 왜 문자 하나에 다 담길까 그 많은 얘기가.
Okay guys, so we're finally here in Seoul and currently now in Myeongdong, and this is our hotel suite from dito kami sa Aloft. It's a Marriott hotel property, and ito yung room. Meron siyang entertainment area dyan, and this is the view. Yan. Ganda din. And then we have the walk-in closet. Yan. And this is the bathroom. Nat, say hi. And then meron dito yung toilet. Diyan yung mga towels. And then ito yung shower.
There's a hair dryer. Oh, there's products. Lotion. Soap. Soap. There's like dental kit.
Dental kit, okay.
Towels, mini towels. There's a shower cap. It looks so small.
Yan, so malaki rin yung restroom nila. Look, I mean yung bathroom. And then yan si Ness. Show mo yung Shine, yung view. Yan yung view. Super traffic na yun. Ayan siya. Welcome to Myeongdong. Myeongdong. We are super hungry now. So, kakain muna kami. Di ba, Shine?
Yeah.
And then we will head out later to the Myeongdong night market.
Did you put the closet already? Did you show the closet already?
Ay, ikaw, show mo.
No, you show.
So, ito yung closet. Gusto ni Natalie pakita sa inyo. Yan. So, again, yung hotel is a Marriott property, a loft hotel. I chose this hotel kasi it's very close to the Myeongdong main street. So yan, nagbe-break na. Ayan yung bed. Ganda rin. Okay guys, later again, we will head out. Kakain muna kami.
Coffee.
Bye! Ayan pala, ano yun at?
Coffee, ano. This is like
Station.
a kitchen.
Yan. Ganda din siya.
Flowers.
Mhm.
And this, like fridge, mini fridge.
Okay, later!
Bye-bye, let's go.
Wala pa yung chicken.
Goodbye. Pwede tayo lumipad.
What's the name of the resto?
Ah,
Chicken.
Chicken and beer. Barbecue. Natalie, what did you get?
Stella, banana, bread.
Yeah. Okay. Looks good.
ah. Sample.
Say hi, Nat. Okay, guys, Nat, who ate here?
BTS and G Idols.
Yes.
Suji was so
See that? We're gonna eat some ramyeon. Ramyeon for brunch.
What's that? Order mo.
No? We're on our way to Namsan Tower. We're gonna take the cable car. Kaya andito na kami guys. Sobrang nakakapagod. So we're here at the cable car station. Ayan na siya. Guys, pupunta na kami dito. Look at that. And the cable car.
网球场还是羽毛球？羽毛球看得到。
Natalie's here in front of me. Look, andyan na siya guys. That's the Namsan Tower. Ewan ko kung malakas yung boses ko, but yung masyadong magdaldal dito. But that's it, oh. Look. There he goes. Sana naman yung dalawang yun. There. Yan, ganda. It's so surreal. Diba, naalala ko yung sa Boys Over Flowers. Ganda, ang saya-saya ko. Ang saya-saya ko. Super. Ang saya. Ang saya-saya. So happy to be here. And it's a beautiful day also. Yan na. Yay! I can't believe we're here already, guys. Look. Yan siya. Nat, say hi. Hi. Look at that. Ganda. Look, guys. So this is the observation deck entrance going there. So pinrint ko lang yung ticket ko from Klook. So it's very easy lang. Yun ang kulit. Ayaw yan magpa-picture. So there. Pero kakain muna kami guys, okay? There you go. So dito naman yung souvenir guys. Papunta sa taas doon, o yung observatory. Pero bago ka mo yung makarating doon, merong souvenir corner. Ayan si Ness. May pila. Bumili siya ng hat. Cute din. Ganda. So, kakain muna kami, guys. And this is the restaurant where we're gonna eat. Diyan. Natalie. Palad. Okay, here's our food. Hindi ko na video kasi gutom na ang mga person. Natalie. Ayan, yung steak na in-order ni Ness. Dapat na maubos yung food. Ganda. We're going inside pa. Wait for me. Shar. We're going to the observation deck. Waiting for our elevator. Hi! Happy weekend. Our girl. Yan, shopping na naman si Natalie, as always. Puro mga gift section here. Ayan. Ang daming abubot. So, I wrote Natalie to be famous K-pop, happy family, job security, happiness, and behind good health, more wealth, and peace of mind. That's all I'm asking. Okay guys, uwian na. Gotcha. We are here at Dongdaemun Design Plaza. Dito yung location ng Vincenzo. I think yung ending, dito yon. Dongdaemun Design Plaza. Ang gulo.
Hey, may tayo chicken, oh.
Okay guys, good morning. It's only 8 o'clock and we're here at Petite France. Ayan siya oh. Ang quiet pa, ang early pa namin. Ang ganda dito. Pero kami pa lang. Ayan si Natalie, Nat. Say hi. Look at that. Ganda, no? So this part naman is you can buy snacks. This is the snacks corner. Yan, they have ice flakes, ice cream, hot dog. See? And then over there, they have a gift shop. Yan naman yung gift shop nila. There. Okay guys, we're here at the rail bike. There. Natalie. Dad, look it. We are doing the rail Wave bye, Shine. Say hi to the vlog.
Hello, you guys come here.
Natalie. Hi.
Very nice. Gathering.
Scary ba? Ayan. This part is the scary part. Oh my goodness. So we're about to eat lunch before we head to Nami Island. And that's chicken and pork. And Ness and Natalie just went to get some carbonara. Here are the boats going to Nami Island. Ayan siya, guys. This is Nami Island. Okay naman, but mainit. It's too hot. And dapat pag pupunta ka dito, puno ka ng pasensya because grabe yung lakaran and mainit talaga. So ako, yung mga kasama ko, wala silang pasensya. Nandun sila sa aircon. So we are here at the Garden of the Morning Calm. Hi, Shine!
Feel like falling deeper Cold nights 난 너무 싫어 기다리기에는 너무 길어 줬던 내 사랑이 식어 기대만 하는 것도 난